开始了，这么小，给大家打个招呼，然后吗？开始了。Okay.
Hello, this is Lin from Gelgoog.
Hello, this is Jess from Gelgoog. Thanks for your free time to watch our show live. Okay, next, let me introduce our company. Okay. Okay, the first part is our company introduction. Please, next page. Our Gelgoog company, located in Zhengzhou with 3 offices in China and 3 production factories in Henan, Shanghai, and Guangzhou, nearly 200 engineers and business personnel real-time to provide customers with professional solutions and thorough service. And we founded in 2010. We have rich experience and strengths in this field of fruit, vegetable processing equipment, pastry processing equipment, and package equipment, package materials for 10 years of intensive cultivation. And we also have been surveyed for 3,000 customers in more than 140 countries, including Unilever, Mengniu, and other international enterprises. And also please focus to our logo, Gelgoog J. From this logo, you can see there are 2 J in our first number. The first J is on left, means giving. Gelgoog always focus on creating values and value-added service to our customers, which is the first priority. And the right J means giving, means Gelgoog committed to the concept of technology developing and growing with customers together with high-quality products and service. Okay, next page, please. Lin, could you please introduce this picture to us?
Yeah, this is our factory located in Henan, Zhengzhou City. This is our factory area. You can see it is very beautiful and great. Okay, next page. And this is our factory working area. There are many factories. We have a production area and finished product display area and some raw material, processing material, and so on. This is our team. We have exporting team, and the team, and production team, and logistic team. So we can serve our customers very well from different departments. Now let us introduce our main products. First, a fruit vegetable processing machine, and then another product is pastry and snacks processing machine, and the third is packaging equipment, and the last is nuts processing machine. We are mainly do 4 kinds of products machines as above. Today, we mainly introduce our pastry and snacks processing equipment. The first one, ice cream cone machine. Second one, meat and pastry and snack frying equipment, chin frying line. Third is spring roll production line. And fourth, biscuits production line, and wafer biscuit production line. And finally, related packing machines. Now let's check below details. The first one, ice cream cone machines.
So, Lin,
This is a sample of ice cream cone. We have different types of ice cream cone. One is waffle cone like this, and another one is a sugar cone like this.
But this is the sugar cone. That is the wafer cone. What is different?
First, let me introduce this waffle cone. This waffle cone is mainly shaped by the mold, and the material is the mixed liquid. When we put the liquid into the mold directly, then get the shape of the waffle cone. And another difference is this has no sugar. I mean, the recipe has no sugar. But this sugar cone one, it has a sugar cone. It has a sugar. I mean the candy.
Understand now? But I see this sugar cone. The shape is very beautiful. If I don't want this shape, for example, this shape, can I do that?
Yes, we can customize the wafer cone shape and the size. I mean the diameter and the height according to customers' demand. So customers just send us their wafer cone shape, their wafer cone photo. I mean the product photo and the dimensions, the ice cream diameter and the height, and also if they have idea about their capacity. I mean how many pieces wafer cone they want to process per hour. Just let us know your requirements, then we can send you the suitable solutions for you.
Okay, I understand now. But what is this?
This is egg rolls. We can also the first step is to shape the ice cream biscuit. I mean the round plates. And then we have another roller machine to roll these biscuits. I mean to roll the round shape biscuit. Then get into this egg rolls. I mean first this one and then second this one.
Okay. Okay. So this one is also use roll way, and this one is also roll way, but the rolling way is different, right?
Yes.
Okay, I understand now.
But the baking machine is same. So if customers want to do both this one sugar cone and egg rolls same time, they can use one same baking machine. Just change the roller is okay.
I do this different color on this sugar cone.
You mean one sugar cone has two colors?
Yes, this is this pink and this black. This one is more beautiful.
Yes, this is mainly related to the recipe and I mean the raw material. But we can also customize two different colors into one cone. Like the upper is pink and the bottom is black. We can customize the two different color in one ice cream cone.
Just now we talk about the recipe. I am the fresh one in this field. So, if I borrow your machine, can you send me the recipe to me?
Yes, please no worry about that. After we got your order, we will produce the machine for you as soon as possible, and then we can also send you some recipes for your reference.
Okay. So this one is also a pepper recipe, right?
Yes, we can send you all the recipes for your reference. No worry about it.
That's great. Okay. Let's move on. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The next type is we like to introduce some sugar cone and wafer cone to you. Mm, just now we introduced the difference of corn. This one is wafer corn and this one is sugar corn. The difference is the sugar corn with sugar, but the wafer corn is without the sugar.
And another most importantly is the wafer cone taste soft. Sorry, I mean the soft. But this one tastes crispy.
Crispy.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but I also noticed that some of my friends, they did not call this Sugarcoat. So about this cone, is there have any other name?
Yes, the Sugarcoat is same with the waffle cone. The wafer, Waffle, the wafer cone.
So it is also ice cream cone, right?
Yes.
Okay, understand now. Okay, next page, please. This is the different shape of wafer cone we can make. Just the change the different mode can make the different shape. And about this wafer cone, we also have different capacity and size. We can customize according to your size and shape. And if you are the fresh one on this business, we also have some standard size and shape for you choose. Please don't worry about it. Okay, next page.
This one is our semi-automatic waffle cone machine. I mean to make this waffle cone. Yeah, the heating way is electric heating. Electric heating is easy to operate and more safe for customers to use this machine. And the waffle cone, the final product of waffle cone looks more beautiful and great. These photos shows the small capacity. Like you can see the photo. It has 4 heads, and it is cup shape. I mean the mold cup shape. So we can customize according to customers' capacities and the shape. About the material, we have the stainless steel material and the carbon steel. And last one photo is the mold. Customize the mold according to customers' wafer cone photo and dimensions.
Next, please let me introduce the standard size and the shape to you. On this page, we can do the different size and the shape. For example, like this one, the height is 105. The diameter is 42. And also, this one, it is a cup shape. The size is the height is 75, and the diameter is 48. So, so just tell me your size and the size of height and the diameter and the shape. We can customize the shape, the mold to you according to your size and shape. Okay, next page. Okay, this is also the different size and shape we can make. If you are the fresh one on this business, we can provide this standard size and shape for you. Choose one. Not only choose one, but you also can choose 2 or 3. Next, please. This one is the cup shape. And in here is you also can hear some very different special shape. We also can make it. We not only can design the size and shape to you, and if you send me the picture of your cone, we also can design the different machine according to your demand. Yes. Okay.
This is another type of wafer cone making machine. Just now we introduced the electric heating semi-automatic wafer cone making machine, and this one is heated by gas. the different type heating way. This model, the capacity is mainly about one 1,300 pieces per hour. It is heated by the gas. According to your wafer cone photos and sizes, we can customize your wafer cone. And the heating time is about 45 seconds. And the heating method is gas heating. We have cooperated with Monio, which popular in China.
Okay, about the ice cream machine, just now client asked some questions. So can you go back to the, yes, back again. Okay. Okay, about this machine, yes, about, okay, this machine. And the client asked if this machine can be customized with the stainless steel, because they see some photos with carbon steel.
Yes, we can change we can customize the stainless steel according to your demand.
Okay, and also another client asked if he want to do different shape of the cone, and just now he heard that need to change the mode. So he wants to ask to if it is easy to change the mode.
Yes, it is easy to change the mode. We can send you some install video and some manual. No worry about it. It is very easy to do that.
Okay, about this machine, which countries you have exported?
We have exported this semi-automatic wafer cone machine to the Malaysia and America and Mali and so on.
Okay, so maybe can you introduce more about the mode, the material of mode?
Okay, let us see this picture. In this picture, we can see this part. This is the mode, and of course, this part is also the main mode. Because let us introduce before, this machine can make the different size and the shape. But how to make the different size and shape? The important part is this part, and this part, and this part. We will design this part according to your size and the shape on this. And also, and by this picture, you also can see some machine are big and some machine is very small, because this machine have different capacity. So the different capacity of this machine, the machine is a little different. For this one, this is a little, and this one is more big. Next picture.
Okay, just now we also see another wafer machine. This one.
Yes.
This one. What's the difference for this machine with the electric heating wafer making machine?
The first big difference is the heating type. This machine, the heating type is gas. For some customer in their country, the gas is more cheaper than electric, but others, they are same. For this part, this is the mode on this part. We also can design this part according to your size and shape on this. This is the mode. It is also can change this part mode, can make the different size and different shape. So if you want to make different size and different shape on this one machine, it's totally no problem. Please don't worry. Next. Okay, this one is also a little different before the last one. This one is the automatic machine. The first difference is this one machine. The capacity is big. So if you have the experience on this business and you also want to explain this business and capacity. This one machine is very good for you. This one, we have the mode 40, 60, and 120. The capacity has 20 pieces per time, 60 pieces per time, and 120 pieces per time. And for this one, the mode on this part, yes, this part, this one is this the mode. We also can change this part to reach your demand. For example, the size is different, the shape is different. By change this part is also okay. And the first and also for this machine is no need so much workers. It can save your time to produce more capacity.
Compare with before two wafer coil machine, I see the machine is larger. Is there any other advantage for this machine?
The first one is machine also can make the different size and shape. And this machine is automatic. It no need to work by workers. It more save the time, and the capacity is more large. It can expand your capacity and business. And this one, for this one machine, the heating tab is also electric heating. And because this one is a large machine and the capacity is large, so this one machine needs to use the compare. So we more recommend this machine to some customer who already produce this product, and he has some experience on this business. This machine is more better.
Okay, I have a question on this machine.
Last one.
Yes, I see that the mode from your instruction, it is a cast iron. May I know if can change the mode to stainless steel?
The honestly, it is not, and we are not suggest to do that because the for the mode this is the whole part, and the second we both of we know we need to put the paste on this mode, and this mode need to heat it. So the electric material is good and is stable, but it is not easy to heating. That is why we not suggest to use the stainless steel.
Okay, and I also see that this machine need to use with a compressor. How much the kilowatt of the compressor?
Like I said, this machine have different capacities.
Yes.
So the different capacity machine needs the different compressor. So just please tell us what is the capacity per hour you want. We can recommend the different machine to you, and also can recommend the different compressor to you. We not only can provide just this machine for you, we also can provide the complete solution. From the mixer, the paste to the compressor to you.
Okay, and yes, and about this machine, except the compressor, does this machine need other machines?
We know make the wafer cone. It needs the paste. Yes. So before this machine to make the wafer cone, it also can use for the mixer, the paste mixer machine.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
This one is only for the crispy corn, the sugar corn, the rolled ice cream corn, and also the wafer corn. We can some different material into this, like some chocolate or the fruits or some ice cream into this ice cream corn. Zero edge. I mean this one is not round shape, and another one is flat top. The top is round. I mean like this. This one is round shape, the flat top, and another one is the natural edge. First, introduce some semi-automatic crispy cone machine. About this semi-automatic cone machine, we have different models. The numbers of 9, 12, 50, and 10, and 80 model. It mainly points to this one, the place most number. We customize according. We can put you different capacities model like 500 pieces, 800 pieces, and 1,000 pieces per hour. Refer to you different models. This machine mainly consists of flour paste filling part, baking part, rolling part, and flour mixing part. This one is the flour mixing part. I mean the mixer. This one is a mixer. And the flour paste filling part is this one to provide the paste from the mixer to the baking machine. This one, the baking machine. Different modes, 9 modes, and so on. Different modes. And the rolling part is this one. After the corn baking from the baking machine, we need to shape. I mean to roll the ice cream into the final product. Just put the ice cream biscuit from this baking machine to this roller machine to get the final shape. The material of this, the semi-automatic wafer cone is mainly carbon stainless steel. The frame is a carbon steel. You know the carbon steel is more stable and hard. The mold is aluminum alloy and cast iron. The rolling part is half room. What is this machine's features? First, it can do different size. Second, it has different capacities. The final product, just like the natural edge and the flight cone and the floral balls, the balls need to change another shaping machine, and also the egg rolls, and the Italian final cake. The heating way can be electric and gas heating. It need also to match the compressor. About the compressor, you can find it in your local place, and also we can quote you some different compressors according to the model you choose. Like this one, these are the flight top ice cream cone, the waffle cone, different colors. We can customize the different color, like the black or the pink one, and also this is the egg rolls. The baking machine is mainly this part. After baking the round biscuits, I mean the round biscuits, you can use different rollers to get different type. The apple cone and the egg rolls, with the sugar cone and the egg rolls one.
Okay, and gas heating. So which is better for our plants?
If customers also okay for the electric or the gas heating, I recommend you choose the electric, because electric is more easy to operate and more safe. But in some countries, the gas is cheap. The gas is cheap and the electric is rare for them, so they can also choose the gas heating one. It's no problem. We can send you the menu and the test video for you, and then you can know how to operate the machine.
Okay, from the before picture, I see that there is a natural edge and the flat top. The plant asked let us to explain more the difference about this two type coins.
Yeah, these two ice cream cone. The first is a mix step, and then the baking step. The baking step is same, just the ruler. The second step, the ruler is different. We can roll the machine. We can roll a biscuit into different ways. And if you want to do both this natural edge and the flat top, just let us know your size. I mean the diameter and then the height. Then we can customize the baking plates. I mean the plates. Put the different plates into the plates. Then you can get maybe you can get the different types, natural edge and flat top.
Okay, from the two pictures, there we can see there is some pattern on the surface of the coin. So if I want to do different pattern, it is available.
Yeah, you mean this different pattern, yeah?
Yes.
Yes, we can customize this pattern, and if you have your own logo, maybe different customers has their own different logo, so we can also customize the logo on this ice cream cone. Maybe like if you want to catch a logo into this or into the top of the ice cream cone, we can also customize the plate, the baking plate on the machine. Then you can get the different patterns or your logo on the ice cream cone.
Okay, and about the pattern size, it is can be changed.
Yes, you mean this?
Yes,
Yeah, this one. Yeah, we can customize the smaller size or the bigger size for you. The square. Yeah, this is another final product can made by the semi-automatic ice cream cone machine. After baking, we use different shaping machine. This one is a flower bowl shaping machine, and this is the egg rolls, and this one is just the pizzas, the ice cream. You can see this is a baking plate. You can customize your patterns into this. Some looks like one flower or another, just with some several squares. So just send me your pieces final product photo and the diameter or the length and the width. We can customize our baking machines plates according to your photos. You can see this is the Idol's shaping machine. After baking from the baking part, we carry out the biscuits, the round one biscuits into this one. Just from this shaping machine, we can get the egg rolls. This one. This one is a flower ball shaping machine. Also, when the biscuit baking from the baking pot, then put it into this mold, and then you can get the final photo flower bowl. It is semi-automatic. Semi-automatic. Need you to price this machine, and also we have another automatic one, the double heights. I mean the double flower heads. The capacity is more bigger. So just like us, just send us your product photo and the dimensions and your capacities. Then trust us, we can quote you some different solutions for you to choose and compare.
Okay, I have a question. Yes, I have many questions about this machine. Okay, and you can see from screen that there is a flower bowl. So I want to confirm if the bowl size can be changed from this machine.
Yes, it can be changed. You can see the mode. This is the mode. We can customize the upper diameter and all the depths. I mean maybe the length.
Yes.
We can customize this mode. Then you can get the bigger diameter or the bigger diameter or the small diameter, and also different depths. This one depths.
Oh, okay, that's good. And another question, yes, I want to confirm if this machine can make the coins without the flower edge and just the flat edge. Yeah, like a bowl.
Yeah.
Yes, without.
You mean like maybe like the cup?
Yes,
Yes,
cup.
it's okay. We have another shaping machine, the cup mode.
Okay. And also about this, because this looks very beautiful, yes, and very popular in the foreign customers, and they many of our clients will load some chocolate or some candy in it, so it's more popular. And from the picture, I see that this machine, it is manual operator, and one time only can do one flower bowl. So I want to confirm if this machine can do fully automatic.
Yes, if you need the bigger capacity, we can customize it according to. We have different models according to your capacities. It's just for your reference, the semi-automatic one, and we also have the. This is one head, and we also have the two heads. And if your capacity is very big, like 5,000 or bigger, we also have the automatic one for you.
Yes, okay, that's good. And we can see that this machine can make different shapes. And yes, from this picture, I see that the flower is very beautiful. Like this, the flower is beautiful. But I see that the color is a little different. So can you explain us about the color?
Yeah, this just decided by the heating time. In some countries, they besides the heating time, it also related to your recipe. The different recipe, maybe you put some more eggs into this, and it will change the different colors. Some looks like this, and another one looks like this. So mainly different from mainly cause the different mainly because of your recipe and the heating time. Once the heating time can be controlled, it's okay. Yeah.
Okay. So how about the heating temperature? Maybe that we can down the heating temperature.
Sorry?
The heating temperature.
Yeah.
For example, for the coil, maybe we will use the 180 degree. But if I want the color with yellow color and maybe the temperature is 160.
Yes, it can be adjusted, and the baking speed also can be. I mean, the heating time can be also adjusted.
So it can be changed by the machine.
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
And it's very easy to change the heating time and the speed.
Okay, that's good. So next one. Okay, Jess, Miss Jess, can you introduce this part to us? Come here. Okay.
Okay, this one is also the semi-automatic sugarcoat making machine. The difference is this one and this one. This one is the electric heating type. This one is the gas heating type. This one is the baking plant. You can see this is the complete picture of baking plant. Can we go next last page? Next. Oh, yes. Just now, my colleague Lee introduced this one machine to you, but I want to introduce more about this one. This is the semi-automatic sugarcoat making machine. This one is the mixer machine to mix the paste, and the vacuum about this machine is around 60 to 70 liters. And this one is the protein part to put the paste in here, and can see this container this container, the vacuum is around 15 liters, in this part, this is a small cylinder. From this part, you can see change the thickness of the biscuit. From this one, it have a little small pipe in here to connect with the heating pipe. The heating pipe at the baking plant is here. This is where is the baking plant. Baking plant. To here, this baking plant will round to move, but the speed is also can adjust by yourself. For the new customers, the first to use this machine, we more suggest the speed is 50 or 50 or 70 seconds. For this baking plant, the size is 20 by 20. So if your sugar cone size within this size, it is no problem for the baking plant. This is the baking. This is the electric baking machine. And you can see this round, the right point. Right point is the heat, is the temperature. And this part, the customers also can control the temperature by in here. And one heating, one heating temperature to one baking plant. So it is very easy and very safe to control. And this is the gas heating type of semi-automatic sugarcoat making machine. You can see this is there have a cover. This machine and that machine, the difference is not only the heating type, but also the shape of machine. By this gas heating type have this cover is because we use the light fire to bake in the baking plant. So this cover can protect the machine and also protect the workers.
So this is cool machine for making the roller coil. What's the advantage for the electric and gas? Which one is better for customer?
Actually, these two heating time are okay for customers, but we more recommend to the electric heating one because the electric heating machine is very easy and very easy to operate it and control it. But some customers in their country the gas is very important, very expensive than the gas. So we also recommend the gas heating type. And for this part, this is the rolling part. You can see after the baking machine make the biscuit, the workers need to pick it up by hand to put it on this plant to go to the rolling hand to rolling it. This one is the rolling hand. This part is also will customized according to your size and the shape. So the different size and shape need the different rolling hand. And this one here is the rolling hand. You can see this one here is the pipe. In here is the feeding hand. From the growing machine, the pipe will go to the baking plant to fill in. So some customers are also worried about the thickness of baking of biscuit. we can tell you, please don't worry about it. This machine can adjust the thickness by the small cylinder to change it. Um, After machine finished, we also will test and install this machine for you to test it before it leaves factory. And we also will send the final product to let you check what is the product you will make by this machine. And this one just now produced. This one is the protein part. The volume of the container is about 50 liters. And here is the baking plant. Uh, just now I said the size is the long. The long here, the long is 20, and the width is also 20. So your size within this size is no problem about. And also you see the printer on this baking plant. This is very common printer on this. But we also can make the different painting on the sugar cone. For example, some customers want to make the logo on their cone, or the printer of the sugar cone is very beautiful or different. We also can do it. Just customize this baking plant. This is the very full baking plant. In this picture, this is make the light shape of sugar cone. Next picture. This one is the fully automatic sugar cone making machine. We also call it is the fully automatic sugar cone production line, because from this machine, it no need the worker from mixer the paste to roller the biscuit. Just this machine can do that. This machine also have the different capacity, like 30, like 3,000, 5,000, or 6,000 is no problem. And this machine just have one heating tap, is gas heating tap, because this machine is very large.
What is the difference? The biggest difference between the automatic one, I mean the semi-automatic one with this fully automatic one?
From this machine, the feature is the efficiency rate, because this one is the fully automatic, so it no need the worker to operating it. And it also can save power, because this machine's heating tap is gas. Like we know, the gas needs small power, and the final product is also very smooth and beautiful. And for some customer, the capacity is very large, so this machine also can make the big large capacity, and automatic machine can save more cost. Okay, from this. This is the main part of fully automatic sugar cone production line, and in here, this is this car is made for delivery the material. For example, the paste. We know make the sugar cone also need the paste. The car will go to the growing part. This part also can connect with the growing part directly. No need any workers to operating it. And this is the delivery car to deliver the paste. Because this outline is this cars. The paste will go to in here, and this one is the protein part. And you can see this is a small filter. Filter one. This function is meant to filter the paste to make the paste more thin and more smooth to make the beautiful sugar coat. And this one is the baking plant. This one is the roller head. This part is the roller head. From this part, we also can make the different size and shape by this part. This part is also will customized according to the size and shape of sugar cane.
And just now, Jess introduced the sugar cone, and now we introduce some pizza cone machine for you. The final product like this, we can customize the different shape, like this one on the flower, this one, and the different tabs. So just send us your final product photo and the sizes, the dimensions. Then we can quote you the suitable solution. So if you need the pizza cone machine, feel free to contact us on Alibaba or leave messages on the website. The pizza cone machine mainly consists of three machines. First one, the forming machine, and then the baking machine and the display. This is for the small capacity pizza cone machine, and we also have the bigger capacity. So just write us your capacity so that we can quote you the solution. For the small pizza cone machine, it mainly has the four heads for the forming machine. After getting formed, we put the pizza cone into the oven, the pizza cone oven. And then after we make the pizza cone, we can put them in the display, then we can sort it directly. The difference of the pizza cone and the waffle cone. The first one is the pizza cone made of the dough. Then gets into this pizza cone. But for the waffle cone one, the material is the liquid, the dough liquid. It is liquid, not this dough part.
I have some question about this machine. I say the shape of pizza cone is very different. I want to make a different shape and the size of this. Can I do that?
Yes, we can customize the mold, the pizza cone mold. Customize this mold according to your pizza cone size, the height, the diameter, and the shape, the different shape. Customize this mold because you know the mold is the machine's mainly part. Just change this mold, then you can get different shapes pizza cone machine.
And I also see the thickness of this is very different about the sugar cone. What is the thickness of this?
The thickness is normally about 5 millimeters, but for the wafer cone, it is about 2 or 3 millimeters.
So can I make the different thickness of this pizza cone?
Yes, we can also customize the thickness for you. So no worry about it. So if customers you has any demand of pizza cone or the wafer cone or the automatic cone, just feel free to contact us on Alibaba or leave messages on our website.
Okay, me and Jess, today I hear you introduced for different cone machine. I want to know if I want to begin the cone business. What information or what aspect I need to consider before I start with business?
Yes, if you want us to help you to start this business, just leave messages to us from this this part. The first one, send us your ice cream cone photo. I mean the final product photo. And the second one, the dimensions, the diameter of the head. And the third one, tell us your capacity. I mean how many pieces ice cream cones you want to process per hour. And if you can also tell us your heating way, electric heating or the gas heating, that will be more better for us to help you.
Okay, how about the raw material? What raw material it will be needed for making the different coin?
It mainly needs the flour, the wheat flour or some candy and some another recipe. About the recipe, we can send you some recipes for your reference for you to test the ice cream cone. So please no worry about it.
Okay, if I want to install your machine in your home,
Yeah.
just a new business, how about the electric voltage demand? Can I use the home voltage, or I must choose consider the industry voltage?
Yeah, it depends on your capacity. And about the voltage, you know, China's voltage and maybe different from foreign customers' voltage. So we can customize the voltage for you. And for some small capacity one, you can use your home voltage. But if your capacity may be larger, I mean the bigger, you can contact the industrial voltage. It is also very easy to do that. And the voltage, we can customize it for you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, just now we introduced some different types of ice cream cone, the waffle cone, the automatic cone, and now let us show you some videos to you. Then you can know more about how our machines working for you. If you need some machine, feel free to contact us on Alibaba or leave messages on our website. Yeah, this video is the semi-automatic one. Semi-automatic waffle cone machine. The first, you put the paste into this mold, and then use your hand to press the mold. Then the waffle cone need some time to heat it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I say the picture is need baking, but how long I need to baking the paste?
It need about 5 minutes.
Okay. So I need to put the paste one by one in that hole.
No, like the video show, you just put one tree to put the paste into the mold.
So the heating temperature, I also can control it.
Yes, you can control the heating type and the heating time by this one. You can press the menu to control the heating temperature.
Okay.
And this is the final product. Yeah, put the paste into this mold. Then press the mold. And now just need some time to baking the paste. And then you can wait a moment, you can get the final product. The final product are output by this part. Just carry out this pour, and then the ice cream wafer cone is output by this. This one is the automatic one. Do not need you to put the mixer into the machine. The machine can put the paste into the machine automatically and then baking. This is one test video for our customers. So please don't worry about this. If you are concerned about the final product, just after you place the order, when we produce the machine for you, and after the machine finished, we will test it for you. Send you some test videos like this or some final product photos and machine small details photos for you check. And when it's finished, do not need you to carry out this. It is automatically one. And this is another test video for the automatic one machine. You can see do not need way to manually operate the machine.
Just now you tell me this machine no need to put the paste by workers, but where is the paste going?
Yeah, we just when we mix it, just carry out the mixer into this one, this part, and then it will automatically paste by this part. It is very automatic. You can see the video. No need the person to operate the machine. Just apply the PLC control.
So the baking temperature and baking time I also can control by this control cabinet.
Yes, by just press the button, you can adjust the heating temperature.
But I see in the video now is feeding the paste. Can I also change the paste? I mean the because I don't want so much the paste. Can I change that?
Yes, the volume of the paste is mainly dependent on your wafer cone sizes. If you want to the bigger sizes cone, you need to carry out more bigger paste. But if you just want the small one wafer cone, you can control it. Get some little paste into the machine. It's okay.
Okay, this one machine is the semi-automatic sugarcoat making machine. From here, you can see this is the baking plant. This is the baking plant. The size is 20 by 20. You can see from here. From here, the baking plant will open it automatic. This part is the heating, the temperature to control it. This one is the protein part. This one is the control button. Here is the feeding hand to feeding the paste. This is the the baking plant here. You can see the picture of the baking plant. One side have the printer and another side have without printer. We also can make the single side printer and both side printer. In here you can see the power on this on the button. It is also easy to control it. This is the baking plant. The speed of baking plant is also can change. This one is to make the pidali. The pidali can see the picture of this on the baking plant. It is customized according to our customers. Can see the size. The size and the printer, both of them can customize according to your demand. Can say after the baking, the workers will pick it up by hand one by one. Not only this printer of Pizzolin, we can make it. We also can make other printer of Pizzolin. Just tell me your size, the diameter and the thickness, and also place a final picture of your Pizzolin to let us to control the printer of it.
Yes, this is a semi-automatic one. Yeah, right.
Yes.
Yes, and I can see the different patterns on the plates. So we can customize these plates, right?
Yes.
Yeah, some like the flower pizzolins and another the small squares. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So if you need make different types, I mean the different photos, you just feel free to contact us on Alibaba or leave messages on our website. Send us your photos and our sales manager will send you the solutions.
This one is the fully automatic Shuriken production line. From here, this is the delivery car to deliver the paste. You in here this is the pipe to go to the baking plant to feed in the paste in here. And here this is a machine hand to pick up the biscuit automatic. So this machine no need to workers to pick it up. Can see this one is to deliver the biscuit. This one is the machine hand. In this part, this is the roller head. The roller head will round recycle like this. And the roller head we also can customize according to your size and shape. Okay, this is the menu. This is the menu detect to test the final product of Sugarcoat. Okay, this part is the mental detect. The final sugar count will go to this machine to text if the sugar count have the metal on it. Then the machine will pick it up or remove it automatic. Okay, for now, that's all the equipment about sugar cone or wafer cone. Um, and next, we will introduce our company and our factory to you. Now, let us have a short rest for 30 minutes. Later, we will back, and then we will introduce the other equipment frying machine to you.
没人了，这有个人坐那儿。
做30分钟。他休息多久？不知道。咱俩聊天吧，坐着。啥东西？算了，这样我也不知道要说啥呀。哎，这样，是不是我？我不想在里面。对呀。对，是的。一直都聊着，那能不能暂时，然后待会再开始？不行，这个直播不能再开。这不能休息。这样一看我还挺上进，但是不要嫌我的尖。来个吃播吧，来个吃播也可以，但是这个能看见吗？现在出来。28的拍不到我吧？
可以想象。5个人看了，刚刚2个人说吃东西很幸福，
真的假的？你看到了？
刚刚1个人，
变4个人了，没人了。你再去试试。3个人。你打完了对子吧，没人看着，主要是。
我来瞅你。
快吃东西吧。
我西瓜给你。
啥？吃播吗？
我刚才吃这里吃了一包这个。
我的要不要充上电？不知道现在有多少电。好像有点远，这调色。是，但是我上去看的时候，就是那灯光都很模糊，是吧？
那更不用，
看不见人的影子。
现在看人还多呢。是吗？你说这里就是这个水，你知道吗？
我说我刚看见了。啊。 吃的挺好吃啊。来来来，啊，不是啊，这个，是把我西瓜吃完，是吧？这个好硬啊。我感觉这个我应该挺硬。它的鱼超硬。你可以对着那个杯子吃，不知道它会不会流水，它肯定会的。我吃完这个吃不动，就不可能吃了。来吧。效果好不好？美不美？不怕了，不怕了。没有，完全没有。我们要吃多长时间？对的，完全没有任何互动和交流，在游戏中。啊，你会不会觉得，这公司怎么开始搞这样了？开始了。那我们走了。
长时间这样也行。
把主播小姐姐叫回来。Okay, fine. Okay. 你还说呀？直接吃吧。Hello. Hi, Lisa. Hey. How are you today? Delicious. Okay. 也不会玩，真是。好。能不能倒点水喝？有点渴。这是你的杯子吗？不是。来，Lisa，你。我先让你来。Gelgoog, right? 念第一段还是念第二段？我们这样交流是为了不太好。Okay. Let us introduce our company, Gelgoog Company. Gelgoog, headquartered located in Zhengzhou, with 3 offices in China and 3 production factories in Henan, Shanghai, and Guangzhou. Nearly 200 engineers and business professionals. Real-time to provide customers with professional solutions and thoughtful advice and thoughtful service. Founded in 22, Gelgoog Group has accumulated rich experience in strengths in these fields of fruit and vegetable processing equipment, pastry processing equipment, and packaging equipment, and packing materials. After 10 years of intensive cultivation, our products have been serviced for 3,000 customers in more than 170 countries, including Unilever, Mengniu, and other international enterprises. Our quality products and service have won wide praise from customers. Okay, hi friends. From now on, and let's continue our live show of ice cream cone production line from Gelgoog company. Let's welcome our two beautiful the live show Miss professional Miss Jess and Miss Lin. Okay. Hello, this is Lin.
Hello, this is Jess again. Okay, for now, we would like to introduce our another product frying machine to you. Okay, from the frying machine, we know everything can fry. For example, the potato chips.
Yeah, the potato chips, the French fries, and some snacks.
Oh yes, the meat, right?
Yes.
Okay, so from the picture, it is chicken nuggets, right?
Yes, it is chicken nuggets.
Okay. But do you know how to make how do you make it?
First, the whole processing include the cutting meat, and then the mixing, the foaming, the frying, the oiling, cooling, and the packing. Or you can also do it by frozen first, then packing it.
And I see the picture. The left one and the middle one is different.
Yes, they are different shape and different sizes. Our machines will make the meat pie with different shapes and different sizes.
Okay, just now you tell me the chicken next is cut the mixer the meat, right?
Yeah.
But if my product is the meat with the bone, is okay?
Bone. Yes, we also have the bone cutting machine.
Okay. Okay.
Besides the frying material is chicken nuggets or some other meat, and now we can also fry the chin chin, which also popular in Nigeria and Ethiopia and some other countries. We can fry the different shapes chin chin, like the square shape or the strip shape. I mean the noodles shapes. We also have the chin chin cutter machine. First cut the different shape chin chin by changing the different cutters. I mean the knives. One machine has 5 knives, 5 cutters can cut different shapes chin chin, and after cutter. The first step is a mixer, and then pricing and cutting. After cutting, it will need to fried. We have the fryer machine for this to fry the chin chin, and after frying, we can pack it into the bottle or the bags. We have different packing machines for this chin chin production line. So if you need if you want to some machines for your new business of chin chin, or to expand your chin chin business, just feel free to contact us through Alibaba or leave messages on our website.
Oh, I see the picture. It is a very different shape of chin chin. can the machine to make the different shape of chin-chin?
Yes, it mainly depended on the cutting machine. The third step, the cutting. After mixing and pressing, the third step is cutting. We put the dot sheet into the cutting machine, and through changing the cutting knives, the cutter, we can get the different shapes like the second photo. This one, we can change the knives to make different shapes, changing the strip shape, the long strip shape, and all the moon shape, and some square shape too, the triangle one and the diamond and so on. We can customize the shapes and also the size. Maybe different lengths of this strap, maybe longer and maybe smaller one. We can customize the different shapes. Also, we can customize this shape one and this. So just to show you your chin photos, the final product you want to make, then we can customize the cutter for you to get different shapes.
And how many different shape the machine can make?
Normally, one cutter machine has 5 cutters, 5 knives, can do different shapes and different size according to your requirements. And if you want to get more different shapes like maybe some customers do many different shapes, like 6 or 7 or 8, we can also quote you the extra one cutters for you. So just send us your chin photo, and then we can send you the whole production processing machines for your reference, the solutions. And about the whole production chin processing machine, we have the semi-automatic one and also the fully automatic one. It also depends on the customer's requirements. Also, maybe this is a new business for them. They just want some semi-automatic one, so it's also okay, no problem. But if customers want to expand this chin business, we can also quote them the fully automatic one to save more the workers to save more labor and more efficiencies. Yeah.
And about the and I also after frying, it will need the packing. Can I pack in different weight of chin?
Yes, about the packing machine, we also have different models. If you want to pack chin into the bags, just let us know your packing weight, and just let us know your packing weight like this, and your packing dimensions, the length and the width. Then we can recommend you the suitable models of the packing machine. So it's no problem.
Okay, because I have one customer. He from the Nigeria. Both of we know the chin is very popular in Nigeria, right?
Yes.
He's the first time to use this machine. So he worry about he cannot use this machine very well by himself. So can we help?
You mean the packing machine or the other machines? We about the how to operate the machine. Yes, because it's very easy machine, very easy to operate. So we will send you some videos or some menu for you to operate the machine. And also, if customers has any question about the technology, you can feel free to contact us. We can you can feel free to contact us. We also have the after sales service, or you can contact the sales manager directly. Let them to send you the menu or the operate video. It's very easy.
Okay, so how about the
Installation?
Yes.
Yes, for the semi-automatic solutions, the whole line machines are very easy and simple. We just you can just according to the menu or the videos, then you will know how to operate the machine. It's very easy. And if some customers the capacity is very big, maybe they need the fully automatic one machine. The first we can send them the menu or the videos to them, and if they still have questions to install it, we can also let our engineer and our sales manager to go abroad, go to the customer's home to install the machine for them. And besides the install machine, during you use the machine and cooperate the machine, if you have any question, just do not hesitate to contact us. Then we can help you in time.
So this changing also need to frying to right to use the frying machine.
Yes, after cutting, it need to be fried, then can taste.
So the frying machine have how many type of this frying machine we have?
For the frying machine, we have the semi-automatic one and the automatic one and the fully automatic one. It depends on the customer's capacity. I mean the kilograms. The bigger kilograms, then we can use the fully automatic one. But if it's only about like the 30 kilograms per hour or 50 kilograms per hour, just need the semi-automatic one is enough.
About the frying the chicken after the cutting. But in order to get the different taste, I want to get the baked chicken. Is it okay for you? Do you have the fusion machine to make them?
Yeah, you mean you do not want to fry chin chin, just bake it, right?
Yeah,
Yes. If you want to bake the chin chin, not fry it, we also have the oven. The baking oven, yeah, have the different heating type, the gas heating type oven or the and the electric heating oven. After you cut the chin chin into different shapes, you can put the chin chin into the oven, the baking oven. Then you can bake it, not fry it.
Okay, you prefer the chicken after baking or after frying?
Yeah.
You need the flavoring machine to add some flavoring on the chicken.
Mostly it will do not need, because when you mix it, you can put some seasons into the machine. You can mix it, but it also related to customers' own recipe. If customers need to flavoring it we can also provide the flavoring machine or the seasoning machine for them. We also have that machine.
Yes, so we also can provide the different solution according to your processing technology. Just to tell us, we can recommend the different machine to you. And this is the machine not only can fry in the chin chin, it also can fry in the spring roll, samosa, and the curry puff dumpling, and so on.
So it can also fry like Chinese dumplings.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
After frying it, some customers also will just sell it directly. So we also have the related machine like the packing to packing the different type. And
Yeah.
and for your different product, then we can recommend the different packing machine to you.
Yeah, I say some need to pack into the bag and another into the bottles.
Yes.
So we have different packing machines.
Yes.
So if customers want to pack them into different bags or the bottles, feel free to send us your final packing weight and packing size, also the packing photo. Feel free to contact us through Alibaba or leave messages on our website so that we can send you the suitable solutions for you. Yeah, Jess, what is this frying production line? Mainly for what material?
This line is meant for the chicken nuggets.
The chicken nuggets?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
chicken nuggets.
Can you introduce me for this? Because I have another customer is new in this business, so he want to start this business.
Okay, let me introduce to you. Okay, first about the meat, we need to cut it firstly. So the first machine, it is a meat cube cutting machine. This machine also can cut the meat into different size of cube. Just tell us what is the size of the meat cube you want to cut. This machine can cut it. After cutting the meat, it will need the mixer. Put the meat and other material to the mixer machine to mix it. And then the material will go to the stretching machine. Um, this machine is meant for to forming the shape of chicken nuggets. And then after make the shape, it will go to the spray grind machine. This machine is for coating the paste or bread on the chicken nuggets. Then this after this machine will go to the conveyor lifting machine. For this machine, it is also can see for the levers on it. And it is also easy to operating. After the flatting machine, it will go to the frying machine. This is the fully automatic from frying machine. From this machine, the chicken nuggets will go to here. Will go to the inlet. Then the chicken nut will put on the conveyor on the frying machine to conveyor it to go to the outlet to it. So by from in this machine um, can keep the shape of chicken nugget. Uh, then go to after the frying machine, the chicken nugget will have the oil in the surface. So we will go to the deoiling machine. So this machine is made for deoiling, put the chicken nugget or other material to in here. Then the material or chicken nugget will go on the below this conveyor. Mm. After the oil, the customer will go to the packing machine directly. This is the pillow packing machine. In this machine, just need the material go in here. In this part, we'll have a small conveyor in here. The material put on this machine. The conveyor will move in here. In this part to packing it. From here, this machine can also packing many different material and also the packing the bag size. For example, the long and the wide it is also can change by this machine. Um, and also not only this packing machine, we also have the another type of baking machine. This baking machine needs for some material very small. For example, like the cube chicken or the cube chicken nuggets, like this. It also can pack in different weights. It is also can change.
I want to ask a question about the line for making the chicken nuggets.
Yes.
What raw material we can use?
You mean the machine?
For the raw material that we need to make the chicken meat. Other something chicken the smashing the meat chicken meat smashes
Yes.
the stretch meat.
Yes. The material of the chicken nuggets. The first is we need the chicken meat to cut the small pieces. Then mix it. In this part, maybe some customer will add some other different like some seeds, salt and oil and other things. It is according to customer's recipe.
Okay, for frying the chicken nuggets, because just now I see the chicken nuggets is with some bread material.
Yes.
What will you frying the chicken nuggets? Will it have some risk in the oil?
From frying this frying machine, it is the water oil separating type. In this machine, the real or the bright other things will down into the frying, uh, then to keep the clean of to keep the oil clean, and it is also will go to the filter part to filter the real and other things. So please don't worry about it. Besides this type of frying machine, the water oil separating frying machine will also have the pure oil frying machine to can recommend to you according to your recommend. Okay, this is in here. This is our the automatic frying machine. In here, this is the frying machine. In here with is a pan. There is a pan to connect with the oil tank. So after frying it, where is the oil going? It will go. It will through the pan. It will through the pan to go to the oil tank. And here, and this type can see this the right is burner. So this type is the gas. For frying machine, this the machine have two heating type. One is the electric heating type, and another is the gas heating type. And here is the meat cube cutting machine. So just the meat, put the meat in here. Then the machine can cut it automatically. And it is also can cut into different size. In here, it is another type, the oil machine. This is the shocking type. The oil machine just put the material in here, then this machine will shocking. Then it is also can the oiling. And this is from here. This is also another type of frying machine. This type is round frying machine. This frying machine is also automatic, but it is middle type frying machine. So we more recommend this machine to some to customers who have the budget limit to. This frying machine is also gas, and it is also have the electric heating type. The heating temperature and the time. It also can control by control cabinet and other about this machine. It also can filter the oil. Then go to after the frying machine, we'll go to the oil machine directly. These two machines connect directly, so no need to any levers.
Okay, thanks, Jess. Introduce the frying chicken nuggets burner. Now let me introduce the chicken production line for you. The mainly chicken production line mainly consists of these steps. First one is a semi-automatic one for the small capacity for the customers.
we put the raw material flour into the first machine, mixing machine, and after mixer, we pressure it into the dough sheet, and then we can put the pressure sheet into the chin cutter machine to cut different shapes of chin, like the square shape or the long strip shape, and also the triangle shape, and so on, by changing the cutter knives. And after cutter, we put the chin into the semi-automatic one fryer. This is the semi-automatic fryer. It has four different types. One is has only one basket and two baskets and three baskets and four baskets. This is the three baskets for the semi-automatic fryer. When we fry, after we fry the chin, we can use our hand to carry out this basket. So it is semi-automatic one. And some customers, after frying the chin, they may also need to remove the service oil of the chin. So now it needs the oiler machine to remove the oiling of the chin surface. And some customers maybe need the seasoning machine, the flavoring. Put the chin into this flavor machine, add some materials on it, then you can flavor the chin into different tastes. After flavoring, we need to packing the chin machine into the bags. About this packing machine, it is also semi-automatic one. We have different models according to your packing weight and the packing bag sizes. We can recommend you the different models. This one is the semi-automatic chin production line, and this one is the automatic chin production line for the bigger capacity compared with this small capacity. The first one still the mixer machine. After mixer, we pressure it. For the pressure machine, we also have three models for the different kilograms, kgs per hour. If your capacity is bigger, you can use a bigger presser. After presser, we cut the chin into different shapes, and then we put the chin after cut it. We put the chin into the fryer machine. This one is a round pot automatic fryer machine. It do not need the way to carry out or the put chin by our hands. It just needs to we put the chin into this round pot, and after fryer, it can be carry out the chin through the press the button. It can carry out output the chin automatically into the oil machine. These machines are matched each other. After the oiling, remove the oil on the surface, on the chin surface. Then we need one elevator because this one is the automatic one. We need the elevator to save more labor for the chin, and through the elevator we lift the elevator the chin into the flavoring machine. This also the automatic one flavor machine for the bigger capacity compared with this semi-automatic flavoring machine. It can process more bigger capacity chin. And after flavoring, we need the packing the chin. Also, we have different types, different models packing machine according to your packing weight and the packing sizes.
Okay, now we have one question. For the chicken cutting machine, the chicken run, if I want to make the different shape, different size, can I make it in a similar, just one machine?
You mean the chin cutter, yeah?
Maybe the cutter. I want to make the different size or different shape chin. I don't want to change the machine. I want to make it in one machine.
Yes, it can made on the only one chin cutter. If you want to do more shapes or the more sizes of the chin, you just need to change the different knives. And about the knives, I mean the cutter, we can customize the chin size and the shape for you through customize the cutter for you.
How many cutters can you sell us with the machine?
Yeah, normally one cutter machine has 5 cutters, can do 5 different shapes or 5 different sizes. If you want to the more shapes or the sizes, we can quote you the extra one cutter.
Okay, for the chicken cutting machine and the chicken whole production line, usually where you sell the machine before?
Yeah, we have sold this machine to Nigeria. You know, the chicken is most popular in Nigeria, and also we exported this chicken cutter or the whole production line to Ethiopia. It's also popular in Ethiopia, and I have another old customers. After he get the first order of the chicken cutter, he found the machine is very easy to operate and the quality is good. So he feedback another 2 chinchin cutters machine to expand his business. So besides Nigeria, Ethiopia, and we also exported these machines to American and so on.
Production line in automatic production line.
Yeah.
Because you know, in this situation, I don't want to use the labor because the labor is very expensive.
Yeah.
From the labor, I then go to the kitchen, right?
Yes.
But I in this part can have fully automatic type to use with the labor.
You mean the automatic packing machine?
Yes, from the labor to packing. I don't want this part to use the labor.
Yes, about this packing machine, just like I said, this is a semi-automatic packing machine. It after flavored, it needs people to carry to put the chin chin by manually into this packing machine. And if you want to save more labors, you can choose another automatic packing machine. Yeah, we have another automatic packing machine. Do not need more labor. Just one person is okay. One person to operate the menu, the automatic machines menu. It is very easy to do that. So, but it mainly for the very big capacity because considering the budget or the practical, you can this semi-automatic machine is enough. But if your capacity is very big, or you want to, or you have enough budget to for this changing production line, we can also quote you the fully automatic one production line. It's no problem. So just feel free to contact us on Alibaba or leave messages on our website. Is okay. Okay, Jess, could you please introduce our customers for this semi-automatic fried pottery line?
Okay. Okay, in this production, the fried pork skin is also popular to in many countries. From here, the pork skin first need to cut it into different size and different size, some small and some big like this. And this is more big. This small pieces. And then go to the cutting, we'll go to the blanching machine to blanching it first to remove the hair or other things. Then go to the deoiler machine because after the because the pork skin go to the blanching machine, we'll have will with many the oil. If the oil go to the frying directly, it is not very good for the machine or the product. Then after the blanching machine, we'll go to the dewater machine to dewater the water. After dewater the machine, will go to the frying machine directly. At this part, the machine 它让我内容尾关了，关了。
哪方面问题？摸起来，这个不让干嘛？这个你去了，这个那是2.8吧？不是这个啥？要是刚才。
Okay, let me continue to introduce this production line. After the from the frying machine, this frying machine, the frying time and the frying temperature also can control it by yourself to according to your product. Then go after frying machine, we'll go to the deoiling machine again. This machine to deoiling the oil of pork skin. After the deoiling machine, when go to the elevator, this elevator will save the labor, and no need to the worker. Then after the elevator, we'll go to the air frying machine again. Air fryer machine. After the air frying machine, we'll go to the packing machine. From the packing machine, it will packing the different weight and different size of bag. This is also the way of drawing of the fried pork skin production line. From this one, it is automatic fry production line. From here, the elevator will convey the pork skin together directly, then go to the water part. After the water part, we'll go to this fully automatic frying machine. From this part, the pork skin will go to here. The inlet, then the skin will on the conveyor to deliver it to the outlet in here. Then go to the oiling machine because we need to de-oil in the other oil of on the pork skin. After the water, then we'll go to the air frying machine. This machine this machine's main function to cooling the temperature of pork skin because we know after frying the temperature is very high and if the workers pick it up directly, it's very dangerous. So this machine to cool down the temperature. Then after the air frying machine, after the air frying machine, we'll go to the elevator again to go to the flavor machine. From here, this part we'll put the material, seeds, salt, and other things in this part. In this part, the top skin will go to this conveyor. The top skin in this part of machine will roll to remove to flavor it. Okay, let us have a short rest. Then I will back later. 没有。开播，要开了点开始。之前它这暂停的时候都不会显示你违规，直接就给你卡掉了。这次是直接都显示了。
等一下。
它这直接结束不就行了，是吧？你想结束了？结束了再来一个。那把这样开始再来吧。这上面是没有结束的，可以的。这个可以的。分享是这个可以回放。下一场开始的时候再来一场，要不我这上面也结束吧。
你没看这个不是啊，不是接着吧？
这也不对了。但是它的回馈。